So they said that wishes should be kept by yourself. Is it right?
Yes.
But for me, I won't keep it to myself. Because my wish is for everybody to know the Lord.
Amen.
For everybody to be saved. We don't talk about religion. We don't talk about what denomination you are in. But we have to talk about what our relation are to our Creator. And my wish is for everybody here that is listening to me right now and to our visitor to have the relationship with God.
Amen.
With Jesus Christ. We need to have a relationship to Him because the only way that we can be saved is through Christ.
Amen.
Amen?
Amen. Amen.
So that is my wish, is the salvation for everybody so that in the other life, we will all die. Do you believe that you die? We die?
Yes.
After life, after we die, there is a life. Okay, after death. So I wish everybody that I see now, I would see also in heaven. Amen?
Amen.
So that is my wish. To be with us together after death. Thank you.